This is a live cyber threat map showing us live attacks going on. Did you know that in 1984 there was only 1,000 devices on the internet as a whole? In 1992, there was 1 million devices. In 2008, there were a billion devices. 2014, they estimate that there's 1.4 trillion devices on the internet, and by 2015, it's supposed to increase by 30%. That would bring us up to 4.9 trillion devices on the internet. In 2011, did you know that 20 homes generated more traffic than the entire internet of 2008? And if you think that's amazing, 90% of the world's data has been created in just the past 2 years. Now here's the scary part. More than 600,000 Facebook accounts are compromised every single day. And 1 in 10 social networking users actually admit to falling victims to some type of phishing scam or fake link that's posted on the social network platforms. 59% of the ex-employees, this is kind of a scary one too, 59% of ex-employees who leave the company admit to stealing company data when they leave their jobs. So I ask you again, how protected do you feel? Well, that's what we're here to show you. We're going to go through and talk about the different attacks that are hitting companies worldwide. Whenever I teach ethical hacking, it's funny. I have my students come in on the first day and they're like, yeah, hacking, here we go. And that's great. I want you to be excited about it. By day 2, they go, that's kind of interesting. Day 3, they go, wait a second. Day 4, they're going, hang on. And on day 5, they're typically, holy cow, I got to go back and rethink things. In fact, I'm going to go back and rethink my home network. Folks, it's time to wake up. I don't care if you're here for the Certified Ethical Hacking Certificate to take the exam or not. This knowledge is not only beneficial, it is imperative that you learn this. So come with me and let's get started.